and welcome to Kente TV. My name is George, and this is Campus Vox. Today's question is side hustles. What do people do as their side hustle? And of course, what are their opinions on it? So without further ado, let's get right into it.
Okay, so first of all, I'm Kenneth, and I'm in Dr. Ilali Manuel. Okay, so talking of side hustles, with the side of ladies, I think as a lady you can go into wig making, selling eggs. I know it's not that legal to sell eggs in the hall or anything, but then you can sell it outside the hall. You can do such business. You can even fix nails and all those things. Some people even go to the extent of cooking. I mean, you can't cook in your room though. You can order for people and all these things are side hustles. And then with the aspect of guys too, you can actually sell slides, sneakers.
Yeah, that's common.
Yeah, you can sell tops, you can sell jeans. These things can give you money. Yeah, and I think if you are that brilliant too, you can teach your course mates. You can do one-on-one teaching, and then some people miss classes due to some 2 or 3 reasons. They have to go to work, they have to do things. So when they come back, and if you are that brilliant and you think you can cover your slides, even after paying attention to other people, then you can also see them one-on-one teaching. And then at the end of the day, maybe you might not take money from them, but they can give you something. I mean, yeah, you get something like that. One too can be a side hustle.
I think importation, yeah, like importing stuff like at lower prices and adding your benefits to it and selling them.
All right, so the long and short of it is to buy low, sell high, and of course, sell the things that people don't have here readily available in Ghana, like certain clothes and other cosmetic items, right?
Yeah, like appliances, electronic appliances, rice cookers, because students really need rice cookers and hot plates.
Question of the day. The side hustles you and your friends have been doing here on campus. What are the ones that have you seen really work, and of course, which ones do you recommend other people starting?
Okay, so I recommend selling of clothes. Clothes are very essential for every human being. So girls, boys wear clothes, and that hustle really is very beneficial to everyone. And also food, because you can't live without food.
Oh,
So
logically.
yes, so you need clothes and food. When you start something like that, and as a marketing student, you don't have to also follow the same pattern people go to. Maybe you have to add something spicy to what you do. Make it very creative. Be very creative. Be very innovative in whatever business you find yourself doing. So I think selling of food and clothes.
Currently with a side hustle, I don't think it's actually a bad thing until maybe the rules of the university frowns upon it. Because all hands are not equal, and then that's what some people do to cater for themselves. Apparently, I am a developer, and then we take side gigs to support the finances that we gain from home. See, it's not everything that you just relate upon your parents, so you just get it, and then it's not all two that would survive. If I got your question right,
Yeah.
because see. Apparently with some halls like this, you see we have students, entrepreneurs, some people sell wigs, they
Exactly.
cook and then they sell. Some halls don't actually permit that. So in such instances, you see it's infringing upon the side hustle. So it's minor work, but some might work. That's in my opinion.
Yeah. And true. And on top of that, if it is of course infringing on the public property of that place, the student also has to, go outside of the school in order to do the thing. That'll take time and then according to their schedule too. So they'll be wasting, it might even affect the academic performance when they're, taking it maybe too far, you see.
Yeah, that's true actually. Cause considering the fact that you that's when you take the side hustle to heart, right?
Oh yeah, for
So
sure.
let's say you take it to heart and then you really want to dive deeper into it.
Hmm.
If the territory that you are selling within does not permit you, I don't think you still want to do it because there might be consequences.
Of
So
course.
if you leave the place and then you go out, that's like jilting academics for side hustle, which is not the main purpose of you being in school.
Side hustles around campus for, students and those things. What are the best ones you've heard, and what are the ones you think people should start?
Okay, probably side hustles. I will, I would, I would take.
it's for the females because they are really really making money from these side hustles. Side hustles has to do with like nails, makeups, and those,
Clothes.
yes, clothing, yes,
Yeah.
and other stuffs. These ladies really really make a lot on campus here with, especially nails and makeups. Like nails is, most ladies on campus here wants to do their nails. So those doing the side hustle, those into the acrylic business and nail business on campus are really really making
Uh-huh.
huge money.
That's true.
Yes, that's what I can. But for
For
the
guys.
guys, just these electronic gadgets and probably one or two protectors, phone protectors, laptop chargers or something, which it's hard for a guy to buy from a guy because of trust issues or something. So being a guy on campus on the side hustles is really really difficult as compared to being a lady because business doesn't boom for guys that much as compared to ladies stuffs. You know, ladies when they see their friends having these stuffs, they too want to get those stuffs or something. They have,
Yeah, they're very supportive.
yes, they
Like
have,
most people than guys. It's true.
yes, but for guys, me, it will be difficult for me to be buying stuffs from you on the basis to be getting huge profits from you because I know Kanta, I know, like with you we know any place, so
Yeah.
it's it's quite difficult to be making so much money as a male on campus with these side hustles.
Okay, so side hustles, I can't really tell the good ones and the bad ones because we all get our benefits from it. Someone sells drugs, someone sells contraceptives, I sell clothes. We all get our own money from it. So I can't really tell the good ones and the bad ones. And then about the recommendation, it depends on the money you have, what you want to start. So let's say, and then the interest. If you don't have interest in clothes, you can't just go in for clothes because you think people that don't just go in for clothes because they have interest in that's why they go in for clothes. So let's say you have 2,000 CDs, you can start with clothes or maybe perfume. Little by little it will boom. So yeah, it depends.
Oh, okay. The side hustle there, plenty. Yeah. Both boys and girls. Yeah. We have people who are studying and you see them for sometimes get some runnings or some things with them for do before they go get some jobs. It be that way how it is. People then get some strategy, then they strategize them about it for campus. Sometimes you do them are fees, then the whole you see right the prices things them are prices go high. So it's so for me, I see some of the boys they shoot others too, they link up plus some moves and things they
Yeah, they be trying to
online.
sell these things everywhere they can because there's a market for everything. That one there. You know.
But you see, most of the time they do these things on the media. You get it, yeah, because
Yes.
they don't have any space on campus to be doing that. Yeah, most of the time they do that on media.
There's regulations too.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, there are regulations here. So unless you do the media thing, so you just sometimes you see people taking others' contacts and other stuff. So you may think maybe others are trying to rush them when they are trying to take their contacts, but just for their market sake. You get it. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's why they do that. So with the girls too, sometimes you can see others too. Let me say negatively, others are trying to persuade some guys. Hey, money T go fit up. You go say one lady go send broadcast. I bet go fit send me 50 CDs. But send them my boys be 50. You dey bab, yeah, all
Yeah,
these
that
things.
one thing that thing personally they annoy me sometimes. Yeah.
So you go say 1 week or 1 day safe. You send gift 20 boys. Definitely well, oh 50 they no be anything. Make a forward give them at the end. You go say the woman she get like the woman get like I tell you these girls, they use the one give you very good sauce, good sauce, good sauce. Everything cool, everything.
Now these were the opinions of the people here on campus. Now I want to hear your opinions down in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, share, and of course subscribe to Kente TV. So until next time.